All right, good morning, good morning. So I am setting up for a garage style workout. I'm bringing the mini trampoline today. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now pick it up, open your legs, good, squat, open your legs wider, yeah. Good. Make sure you're breathing. Keep your core tight. Yeah, buddy. Good. Slow down. Slow down. Slow and good. We're supersetting, so we're not resting in between when you change up. Okay, good. Yeah. So this way you isolate the muscle, because what happens is we always have one side of our body that's stronger than the other one. You're gonna keep that one in the air as the other one goes down. Yep, now bring it back. Bring it up, come on. Fight through. Good, you can, Lisa. Come on. Okay, slow, come on. Yep, up, curl, press. Okay, grab it, boom, put it on the other side of you, good. There it is.